What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with A Roberson Photo, A Roberson Media, and I am working on something new for you guys. I'm going to be working on a new short series of quick videos about audio. If you notice, my audio may sound a little different right now. That's because I'm actually using the built-in microphone in my Canon G50. I believe I have the sensitivity set to about 50% to cut down on the audio noise or clipping or distortion from the built-in preamps. But I'm going to be talking about microphones. I have a bunch of microphones. I want to say 7, maybe 8, and I even picked up an audio recorder or 2 so we can go ahead and test the different sounds that the different microphones make with and without the audio recorders and without the phantom power. I'll get into that if you're new to that, but I want to do this little short series. I'm going to do these microphones individually compared to the built-in microphones in my G50, and then maybe later on I might go ahead and do some comparison side-by-side videos just so you can see which microphone works best for you. As of right now, the microphones that I'm going to be using are fairly inexpensive, and I'm talking from $25, $35, even as low as $11 for a microphone, and you'll be surprised how good they sound. So I'm still talking through the Canon G50 microphone, and I'm going to plug in a new microphone shortly. It's going to be, well, not new, well, new to some of you guys, but if you've been following my channel, hopefully you have. I have the Pixel MC-650. Can you see that? Pixel MC-650 shotgun mic, and I'm not going to do an unboxing or anything. I actually did another video. You can find it here. I'll link it in the description also, so you can go ahead and check it out. Hopefully you will. But I'm going to test the audio of this shotgun mic against the built-in Canon mic. Of course, you'll think that the shotgun mic sounds better. Will it? Most likely, yeah, but I still want you guys to see the difference. When I first got into doing YouTube videos, I saw a couple of videos. I study a lot. I study a whole lot of videos, and I saw a couple of videos saying that if your video quality was bad and your audio was good, it can be acceptable, but you can't have good quality video and bad audio. That's completely unacceptable. And while that may be true for the most part, what I've come to find is you need good audio and good video. You can't have good quality video and trashy audio, or crispy, clean, perfect audio and trashy video. So I've been working really hard to get both to be in sync, to get both to sound great together. So that's why I'm doing this little short series of videos to hopefully help you come to or land where I think I've finally gotten to that sweet spot. Now, I do have some other microphones in mind that I do want to test and eventually get, but in the meantime, these microphones that I have in this short series, I think they'll serve their purpose and hopefully help you make an informed decision on getting another microphone for yourself if you need one. So anyway, we have been listening to me, my beautiful voice, through my Canon G50, but I'm going to take this Pixel MC-650 shotgun mic. I'm going to put it up. It is usually, I would say, roughly 8 to 10 inches away from my face. I'll show some footage of how my rig is set up, but let me go ahead and set this up for you really quickly. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it in now, and then we'll hear the sound from the Pixel MC-650. So if everything is working as it should, this is me talking through the Pixel MC-650. What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with A Roberson Photo, A Roberson Media. Does it sound better to you? Hopefully it does. But really quickly, the Pixel MC-650 has a low-cut filter on it. Right now, I'm not using a low-cut filter. If I turn the low-cut filter on, this is what I sound like speaking through the low-cut filter. I don't think the low-cut filter sounds good, but maybe it serves its purpose if you're doing a filming outside or something like that. And matter of fact, the Pixel MC-650 comes with this dead cat here. Terrible name, but it comes with the dead cat to help filter out some of the wind noise. So maybe with the low-cut filter and the dead cat, you might get some decent audio. You know, I might take my rig outside. It is a pretty big rig, but I might take my rig outside and just do some quick audio testing with the dead cat with the low cut filter just to see how this Pixel MC-650 performs. But being that I don't like the way the low cut filter sounds, at least in my office studio, I turned the low cut filter back off, and you are hearing me speak through the Pixel MC-650 without the 10 decibel boost. If I turn the 10 decibel boost on, it is extremely loud and extremely distorted. At least it was the last time I tested it. So hopefully really quickly you can hear how bad that sounds. But it might work good if you're filming somebody at a distance outside, so maybe I'll go ahead and try that outside too. But for now, oh, and it does have a minus 10 dB cut as well, so this is with minus 10 decibels, so I'm sure the audio is lower, so I'll put it back to the middle, neutral. And here we are. So, alright, what's up everybody? I'm outside right now and it happens to be a windy day, which is good. I am using my Pixel MC-650 and right now I'm just using it on without the low cut on and no decibel gain boost, just set at 0. So I'm going to back up and see if you can hear me. I don't know if this works. Oh, I don't know if this is working or not, but I'm just backing up. I'm roughly 10, 15, maybe 20 feet away. So I'm just checking to see if you can hear me. I haven't put the dead cat on yet, but I will in a minute. But I just want to back up roughly 20 feet just to see if you guys can hear me. So now what I'm going to do, and you see I have no lavalier mic on. So what I'm going to do now is I have the low cut on now. Low cut is on now. Hopefully it's cutting against the wind. We don't know, but I'm just backing up just to see. Roughly 20 feet again, 20, 25 feet again, give or take. I forgot my marker, but I'm just hoping you guys can hear me. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the 10 decibel gain boost with the low cut on. 10 dB gain boost with the low cut on. And again, I'm backing up roughly 15, 20 feet, give or take, something like that. Can you hear me? Does it make a difference with the 10 decibel gain boost? Is it distorted? I don't know. I'm just doing this live. I haven't tested this. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in the video just to see what it sounds like. And last test before I put the dead cat on, we are going to do it without the low cut. 10 decibel gain without the low cut on. And again, Penny, come, stay close. And I'm back again roughly, yeah, I'm going to use that tree as the marker next time. This tree is roughly 15 feet away, give or take. 15, yeah, I'll say about 15 feet. So now, because it is a windy day, hopefully you hear that wind. I'm going to go ahead and put this dead cat on. It's a little hard to put on. I'm going to put this dead cat on and see what it sounds like. So give me 1 second. Okay, so I got the dead cat on. Matter of fact, let me tilt it down just so you can see it really quickly. Let me see how I can do this real quick. There we go. You see the dead cat right there? Well, I got all this stuff in the way, but there's the dead cat. Okay, so let me put everything back to where it was. Hold on. Oops. Okay, so I've got the dead cat on and I have 0 decibel gain. Everything's neutral and it's just on without the low cut. So high cut on, 0 decibel gain, and I'm backing up to my 15-foot mark and the wind is blowing. So is the dead cat working? Is it helping? Is it good for you? Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the low cut, still at 0 decibel gain, still at 0 dB. Low cut, backing up again. Can you hear me? Is the dead cat blocking out the wind, and are you able to hear me with the low cut on plus the dead cat? And then, lastly, well, second to last, 10 decibel gain with the low cut on. 10 decibel gain with the low cut on. Back again, 15 feet. How does it sound? The wind's blowing. It's perfect for testing that. Yeah, how's that sound? And let's go 10 decibel gain without the low cut. 10 decibel gain without the low cut. 15 feet, 10 decibel gain without the low cut. I'm trying to keep my speech at the same level. And then we're going to go with the minus 10 dB boost. Minus 10 dB. So how does this sound? About 15 feet away, give or take, minus 10 dB. How does that sound to you? And I think I've ran through all the cycles here. I think I've got everything, so let me go put everything back neutral again one more time just to see what it sounds like at 15 feet away, no low cut, neutral settings, 0 decibel gain, roughly 15 feet away. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll go ahead and summarize this video. So, of course, you want to get yourself a shotgun mic, a different type of microphone, because usually the built-in microphones are not as great as you like them to be. But if you actually like the built-in microphone inside the Canon and it serves its purpose, let me know in the comments, or let me know if you prefer the sound of the Pixel MC-650 And I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next short video.